Model, 2008 Mercedes Sprinter 311 CDI 3.5T tipper starts drives noisy gearbox drive away. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 214959. MOT, the 15th of April 2025. Engine, 2148 cc Ohm 646 109 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, unfortunately the gearbox is whining in all the gears, still starts and drives fine, just noisy tipper works brilliantly. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.